Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nacine. If you are new here, I'm 37. I've lost 70 pounds on keto. I am 5'9" because people ask. I have 4 kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitties, and I like when you guys give me clicky clickies. That's a thumbs up. But if you don't like me, you can give me a thumbs down. I won't mind. It still helps my channel grow, believe it or not. Do I like to see a thumbs down? Not necessarily, but I remind myself it's not that big of a deal. Not everybody will agree with the things I say. Not everybody will like me, and that's okay. That's what makes the world so great, right? Anyways. I brought some of my chili that I meal prepped yesterday. So I have that, and I have 1 hard-boiled egg. And I am going to the grocery store to get something to drink because I forgot to bring something out to drink. I kind of have a little bit of a headache today, and I feel like it's because of caffeine, because I've done all of my Sole water and I feel like it's just a caffeine headache. I feel like I just didn't have enough coffee this morning, if that makes any sense. I drank my coffee fairly quickly and it just didn't seem like it made a difference. We're very busy at work today. We had 2 call-ins, and so I've been running nonstop and I just need something. I'm gonna look and see what kind of protein bars they have here as well. I might grab myself a protein bar to go with my chili, and that might be a weird combination. I don't know. I did have this morning 2 pieces of sausage, like they're like this big. I need to weigh one because I don't know really how to track those. And I had a hard-boiled egg along with my coffee. So that's what I'm sitting on right now. Oh, and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, which I need to stop using the heavy whipping cream so much, and I need to get back to my almond milk, but I don't know why. I've just been putting it in. So I'll be back. I'll show you what I get, of course. Here I am screaming that I need to get a coffee or a pop or something, and I get this portable protein pack with turkey, almonds, and Colby Jack cheese and a Quest bar, and completely forget about a drink. This has 4 total carbs, 3 net carbs for the whole pack. It's not bad. And cookies and cream. I'm gonna be thirsty. Oh, I brought pickles. What a weird lunch. I'm gonna go over on my macros tonight because I made some poor decisions at lunchtime. I didn't realize the carbs. So I'm gonna have a chicken salad. I just use some of this shredded iceberg lettuce, some tomato, some of this shredded chicken, and then I have some chaffles that are heating up from the air fryer. I'm just gonna have a BLT with a piece of sharp cheddar cheese and cut a slice of that tomato, some mayo, and I'm having a White Claw. Yep, gotta pay more attention. I just had a really busy work day today, so I'll show you when it's all plated up. Alright, there it is. Chicken salad, ranch, tomato, tiny bit of cheese, some Parmesan crisps, 1 egg, and then 2 BL chaffles with cheese. My tomato looked gross. These crisp up real nice in the air fryer. That's gonna be it tonight, guys. I don't have much to say. It was so busy at work, and I just ran out of time for like everything. So I'm just gonna sit down and eat, fold some clothes, and that's gonna be it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.